Hi friends, welcome back to Harmony Hills Home and Garden. I'm excited today because I'm going to start talking about a new series that I'm going to be running on the channel over the next few months. It's going to be a backyard renovation. Let me tell you what it's all about. Here in the backyard, we have a real mishmash of old and new, and I would like it to look a lot nicer than it currently does. So as we walk down here, it's downhill, down toward that corner. I think it changes about 6 or 8 feet across that slope down into there. So it's quite a dramatic hill down. Our yard is surrounded by old plantings of shrubs and hedges that have gotten way overgrown over the years and need to be taken care of. We have an old chain link fence that goes across the back that is really ugly, but right now I can't replace it. And the side is a chain link fence too, and I'm not really happy with the way that looks either. So I would like to have some screening and some prettier things to look at in the winter. So the project is going to be all about cleaning up some old overgrown stuff, planting new pretty screening, preferably evergreens across the back especially, and hopefully up the sides as well. It might involve some tree work. We have some really tall old ash trees in the back that are now covered with a vine that is causing damage to the limbs. Several of the limbs up at the top are dead and keep dropping every time we have a storm, and the trees start leaning more and more. It's a shame because they're beautiful trees, but they are diseased. We have emerald ash borer moving around through our area, and between that and the vine on top of the trunk, these trees are really in sad shape. And then there's a tree here also that is kind of higgledy-piggledy around the power lines. And there's a tree here that's leaning. It comes up and then leans this way. So I think we might have some trees taken out, which will change the sun and shade mix back here. So that is going to be a factor in the project. We have the stage here. This is where we put singers up on stage and have friends gather in the backyard for mini concerts. And so we want to keep that stage area there, but we want to make it prettier. Some evergreen screening around here. I want to hide the fence totally, and I also want to start some taller trees growing so that if and when these trees do have to come down, we have some replacement screening coming along. So this project is going to take a lot of planning. I have to call the tree surgeon. I have to call the utility company, make sure there's no utilities to worry about other than those lines that are up there. I need to do some research to figure out what kind of shrubs and trees might be good for evergreen screening. And I need to do that research for both full shade, which it is in the summer, or dappled in part shade, which it might be if we take some of those trees down. And then I need to do a sketch to figure out what to plant where, and then come up with a plant list, and then schedule the purchase and the delivery of the trees and shrubs, do all the work of preparing the beds and planting things, and then keeping it watered and cared for throughout the season. So it's going to be quite a project, a big renovation of the back area of our yard, and I'm planning to do a whole series of updates on it throughout the season. I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll keep track of what's going on here. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can get the newest updates every time they come out. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a new video. Push that like button down there at the bottom of this video and let me know that you like this idea and that you are excited about following along with me. Thanks so much, friends, for visiting with me today. I hope you're as excited about this project as I am. Can't wait to get started.